Hello, my people. Welcome to my channel. So, here I was trying to cook for my family and I discovered that my gas had finished. What will I do? My husband had traveled, so I really needed to make this soup for my kids. So then I switched to survival mode. If you're living here, you should know how to improvise for anything. So I carried this my tripod stand outside. Good enough, I have it. Normally I use it when situations like this arises. So I just pick up my firewood and some other pieces of wood I had around. I try setting up this fire outside. This is me arranging my firewood here outside. This is just somewhere around my backyard. So I knew I needed to do something and I needed to do it really fast. You know, hunger is not anybody's mate too, especially when children are involved. So I arranged my fire. I did everything possible just to make sure that this food is ready. And to say the truth, this fire showed me shaky. The fire showed me shaky pro max self. So I had to bring more pieces of wood and kept on arranging and arranging to see if I can get my desired result. So I used this nylon, just to help. There was no kerosene. If I had kerosene around, it could have been way more easier. But since there was no kerosene, I used this nylon. I tried with the black nylons. That's me. I tried lighting it with my lighter. It still didn't work. I tried and tried and tried. It still didn't work. I said, me, I'm not giving up. Oh, I'm not giving up. What will I do? I have already prepared the ingredients I needed to cook. So I have to switch over. I brought this other white nylon. I said, oh yeah, oh, let's keep on trying. There's no giving up here. We have to get it done and done very fast. So that is that. Oh, my people, we have to do this. 100 years later, we finally got it. Whoa! So that is me cooking already. I am making a goosey soup. So at this time, I had already added the goosey. I've started cooking already. Sorry, guys, I could have shown all the processes, but the camera went off. I wasn't aware. So that is that.
So, ma, what do you call your soup?
This is delicious egusi soup.
Okay.
It is mostly known in the southeast of Nigeria.
Okay.
We eat this with pounded yam, we eat it with semo, we eat it with fufu, any swallow at all, and you can enjoy it. So this is just a plain egusi. I'll follow this up with my vegetable. I'm going to add water leaf and bitter leaf. So I'm going to allow it to simmer for 2 minutes, then I'll come back.
All right.
So it's time for the vegetables. I'm starting with water leaf. You have to add water leaf first, so to give it time to cook. After adding this water leaf, I'll allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, but not too much, so it won't turn brown. Then when you're adding water leaf like this, especially when the water leaf is much, this food I'm cooking for a family of 6, so yes, it's going to be much. So you don't have to add a lot of water to the goosey because the water leaf itself will bring in more water. Just make it a little bit dry. Then after adding that, you allow it to cook for 2 minutes and add your bitter leaf. At this point, this soup is already done. The aroma was given, the face was given, everything was given. I couldn't contain my joy. I mean, my children were already rejoicing at the background. Oh my goodness, this soup is just given. And to even say it, my dears, I have also discovered that cooking with this firewood was so much better. Yeah, that's me adding the stock as a final ingredient to really pop up the taste. And that's my seasoning cube. This soup was given everything it should give. I was so happy. And then I added a teaspoon of salt I didn't add salt from the beginning. So yeah, after testing to know that everything was okay, I had to add a little bit of salt and stir. My lovelies, I couldn't contain my joy. That's that. You need to add this palm oil a little bit more to pop up the fish. See that? I'll go ahead and give it a good stir, and then I'll come back and show you what the result looks like. Oh yeah, bring your swallow. Look at the face it's given. Let me know. Would you love to try this recipe? I love you. And do all to subscribe to this channel for more premium African and homestead videos. I love you.